Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into a very practical lesson, how to build an efficient project management system using Monday.com, your 2025 guide. The first step is to create your project board. Simply go to the left menu, click on Plus New, and select Board. Name it after your project. Now, why is this necessary? Well, a dedicated board helps you keep track of all the project tasks and deadlines in one place, keeping everything organized and accessible. Next up, we're going to set up the board structure, which will serve as the backbone of your project. You'll see columns like Status, Person, and Timeline. You can customize these columns to fit your project needs. For example, you can add a priority column or a progress column. Remember, this step is crucial because it allows you to visualize everything related to your project and helps everyone involved to stay on the same page. Having set up the board structure, it's time to add tasks. Simply click on the Plus New Item button and name your task. Assign it to a team member, set the status, deadline, and priority. This helps us because it not only assigns responsibility but also keeps you informed about the progress of each task. Now that we've done that, let's discuss the importance of automation. See the Automate button at the top of your board? Click on it, and you'll find a myriad of automation recipes. These are preset commands that can automate a huge range of actions on your board. For example, you can set up an automation to change a task's status to done when its deadline passes. Why does this matter? It saves you heaps of time and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Finally, let's talk about integrating other tools. Click on the Integrate button next to Automate. Here, you can connect other apps like Gmail, Slack, or even Excel to your board. This step is a game changer because it keeps all your work in one place, streamlining your workflow and reducing the need for app switching. And there you have it. You've just built a project management system in Monday.com. It's all about keeping tasks managed, team members informed, and workflows streamlined. By following these steps, you're setting your project up for success. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy project